snaps. Look what we got here. A 2020 Honda Hybrid. Look at that thing. Honda Accord Touring Hybrid 2.0 with the wood grain dash entertainment system, automatic transmission. Look at this thing. This is a 2020. Look at this. Look at this. This thing is beautiful, and I like that color, man. That color just pops. Just, man, it's a beautiful car. That's one thing that Honda was always like over Toyota for a long time. You know, Toyota didn't step this game up lately. Like I said, that was one thing Honda was having over Toyota for a while, was just the look, you know. But now Toyota didn't step this looks game up, so you know. So now, you know, first, you know, Honda and Toyota, they're basically always going to be neck and neck. But at the beginning, you know, a lot of people liked the Honda because the Honda had a better look. Now Toyota stepping his looks up, and you know, now they really capturing the market. But this Honda right here, this 2020, man, this thing is beautiful. I like it. Let's look over and go over it. Let's go. So you got this right here, the keyless entry, where you just touch that and locks the door, touch it and unlocks the doors. And first things first, you got the memory seats. Look at that, all that leg room. Sorry, I mean, they might have to clean that carpet mat out. Sorry about that. You know, they can just spray it off. They ain't gonna kill them. Great room in the back. Now let's start this beautiful car up. Let's start this thing up. It's a hybrid, so it's quiet. So we start. I'll show you. Look at that. Y'all don't even know it started. And see, they ain't even got a shifter in here. Now you just push the button. See, this is reverse. So, see, that's how you reverse. Neutral. Then you got drive. Easy as that. And then you got park. They got these paddle shifters. I don't know what you need paddle shifters on there for, but you got the heated and cool seat. You got the navigation. You got the heads-up display, which I really like that, cause see, look at it. It shows like the navigation where you at and like a compass, the navigation and the compass, and it shows you how fast you're going. Then you got the nav right there. You got the sunroof. Look at this. This car only has 4272 on the miles. Look at that. Them is some low miles. 4272 on the miles. Man, look at that. Man, this is a nice car. Really, I'm really digging this. So now let me butterfly for you guys and show you how it looks being butterflied open, you know. So let me do that for you right quick. Turn around. We got a butterfly open for you. Look at this. Look at that. They keep them cars shined up for you. Y'all hear that? It kicked on. It was already running. I left it running. But Honda, come on now. Y'all can't have this fancy of a car and then put a hood prop on there. Y'all gotta just have those hood shocks on it where the hood just lift up and just boom, just show it. So that's one thing, but that ain't a big issue. But oh yeah, let me pop that trunk for you guys. Did it not pop? Pop that for you. There you go. Oh, it ain't like the Audi. It didn't raise up all the way like the Audi. Okay, got the Honda Accord match. Look at this. Walk around this thing, man. That's a beautiful car. That's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Me, I don't like the light interior though. I would need a dark interior. This for Honda sensing. Okay, got the front park assist. Then it also has the blind spot light detection. So when somebody like right here in your blind spot, that'll illuminate to let you know, hey, don't be switching over. Look at this. And right here, that's how you let your rear seats down. beautiful car. So let's close it up and get to it. Look how clean it is, though. But I mean, it do only got 4,000 miles, though. You see that? It's got the wireless charging right there too. Oh man, this thing got everything. This car got everything. Got all the bells and whistles, like they'll say in the car business. It got all the bells and whistles. You got navigation, Bluetooth, hybrid system. They got the paddle shifters on there. They got the lane departure. So when you veer out the lane, it'll correct you. You got the rear park assist. You got the front park assist. You got the blind spot monitor detection. You got the Honda assist. I guess it's like kind of like Honda's OnStar. I don't know, 100% sure about that. You got everything. This vehicle is fully loaded. And then look at that. They got on the keys. Look at that. They got driver 2. And driver 1, which pretty dope. Unnecessary, but I don't know. I don't know what's the difference. And then like one, it's not like one key is just to start it, and they also got the econ mode, but that's, you know, it's hybrid. My overall thoughts on this hybrid, man, I would give it a I don't know. I'm a little biased, so I'll probably give it a 9 out of 10 because I'm a little biased to Toyota, just because I'm biased. This one, I would give, like I said, this one give a 9 out of 10. I don't like the gray interior. It feels like a black interior. And the seats, they're semi-comfortable, but they're not that comfortable. So that's why they get like a 9 out of 10 for me. And other than that, man, it drives great, but it's a new car with 4,000 miles, what you expect. So I want to know in the comments below. So this car only got 4,200 miles on it, basically. So it's basically still a brand new car. Me, if I was these people, I would have took this car to a Honda dealership and sold it to them, because Honda could have basically made this a certified pre-owned, and they would have paid you more money because it was basically a one-owner car and stuff like that. But hey, you went to a Dodge dealership. I don't know exactly what you traded in for, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think these people traded it in this car for. Also, let me know what y'all think of this car and the price on this vehicle. And also, last, let me know if you could see yourself driving this vehicle. I can. It's got great leg room. It'll make a great family car for me. It's getting like 38 miles to the gallon, so I could probably get that up to 40 plus. But hey, I would drive this vehicle. Let me know if you guys would drive this vehicle. Once again, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I will see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate all of your support. Yeah, and if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and I'm out. Peace.